Hey everyone, so in this episode of Designer DIY, we are actually refinishing my basement. After having my son move out, it was time. So we started by removing all of the baseboards so that we could get rid of the old carpet and then contend with the underlay. So as you can see, everything was securely fastened along the seams and against the perimeter. So that took a little bit of muscle to remove. And unfortunately, I didn't have what it takes. Despite my biggest efforts, it was really difficult to remove this. So I am super happy that Andrew was able to remove all of the underlay and prepare the floor for what we were going to do next. In the interim though, I was a painting rock star, so I will take almost complete credit for the repainting of the basement. Mind you, the patching and priming and help with painting was there. I did quite a bit of it. From here, once we finished painting everything, it was time for the underlay. Now, this product that I found, I will drop the details in the comments because it's freaking amazing. I wanted something with a vapor barrier that would add warmth and comfort in addition to the backing that was already on the laminate. So it was absolutely incredible. So next came the luxury vinyl plank. As I mentioned, it already had a backing on it, but that underlay that I've talked about and I will discuss in the description below was incredible. An amazing investment. So anyway, guys, here it is, my new yoga space. I hope you enjoyed the video.